Most people think agent failures look like a crash or a no response or a tool call that did not happen. But the real failures today aren't like that at all. They are subjective. The agent responds, the tool gets called, and everything looks fine on the surface, and it's still wrong underneath. And that's exactly what you can't catch by just checking if someone ran something or not. Let me show you what I mean. Last month, I gave a coding agent a failing test to fix. 9 minutes, 40 something tool calls, and it came back and said done. The build was green. Everything was correct, except that it has not fixed anything. It had wrapped the failing part in a try and accept loop and quietly returned an empty list. The test passed and the bug was still there. The trace showed it had run already the right diagnostic. The real reason was that things weren't broken sitting inside there. It didn't just use it. Every failure looks like success from outside. You only find when a customer complains and you can't fix it by reading logs. One agent runs a 60 steps long task. Berkeley actually tested this, gave the best model out there a full set of traces, and asked what went wrong. 11% of the time, it got it right. So here's what we are building Mycroft. It reads your agent traces, find the runs that quietly went wrong, and groups them by actually what broke. So instead of the 4 million traces, your team sees the 8 real bugs, rank each according to their costs attached. 5 steps quickly. One, which is the signal that we watch how your user reacted. Did they repeat themselves saying, no, that's not what I wanted, or just gave up? This tells something failed for free. Or the forensics, we open the trace, what tool got called, what came back, and what got pulled up. Third, which is the most important, we cluster not by topic, but by actual failure. So instead of all the refund questions, you get 40 runs where it pulled the right documents and answered from the wrong one. That's a bug with a root cause. Four, we score it. The question everyone asks, how does the judge know what was right? It does not. It just guesses. We read your system prompts and policies, draft simple yes and no rules, and you approve them once. After that, it gets your checking facts and not just opinions. Fifth is that we fix it. Every cluster becomes a defect card, root cause suggested fixed, a regression test, and a rupee number. Then we confirm that the fix was actually hell. We do run some guardrails live. PII, cost spikes, wrong tool calls under 100 milliseconds. Everything about quality happens after the response is already out. And this is where the real impact is. Once you see these patterns, you are not just catching bugs. You are cutting the wasted tool calls, the oversized model runs, the retries that never needed to happen. Teams doing this properly are recovering 40 to 60% of what they are spending on agents today. And on top of that, they answer the questions, get better by you are fixing the actual root cause instead of patching one bad response at a time. Logging what your agent do is already solved. Figuring out what's actually broken. Nobody has done that yet, and that's what we are building.